Hello, dear seniors. After 60, many people notice their muscles feel weaker. Everyday tasks become slower, and the body doesn't respond like it once did. But what most don't realize is that this decline isn't permanent. Muscles can make a strong comeback at any age. Doctors often remind that the body still builds strength when given the right push, even in the later decades of life. It only takes small, consistent effort to awaken sleeping muscles, improve balance, and bring back power that once seemed lost. Today's video reveals a simple 10-minute routine that can truly restart that strength. So, number 1 is gentle warm-up. Wake your muscles, don't shock them. Gentle warm-up movements are the foundation of every safe and effective exercise routine, especially for adults over 60. Doctors emphasize that aging muscles and joints respond best to gradual activation, not sudden strain. A warm-up increases blood flow, raises body temperature slightly, and prepares the heart and muscles for movement. Skipping this step can lead to stiffness, cramps, or even small injuries because cold muscles are less flexible and slower to react. Experts often recommend starting with light, rhythmic motions like shoulder rolls, ankle circles, or slow marching in place. These gentle actions wake up the body, lubricate the joints, and signal the nervous system to coordinate better control and balance. A good warm-up also improves oxygen delivery to muscle fibers, helping them contract more efficiently during exercise. Even 2 to 3 minutes of light activity can make a big difference in how steady, flexible, and energized the body feels. The goal is simple: to move with ease, not force, and let your muscles come alive naturally. Now, number 2. Seated marching, strengthen core and improve circulation. Seated marching is one of the safest and most effective ways to build core strength and improve circulation for adults over 60. This simple movement involves sitting upright on a sturdy chair and lifting one knee at a time, as if marching in place. Doctors often recommend it because it activates the hip flexors, abdominal muscles, and thighs without putting pressure on the joints or lower back. The steady motion encourages blood to flow through the legs, reducing stiffness and the risk of swelling that can occur from long periods of sitting. Research shows that even light leg movements like this can help maintain healthy blood vessels and improve heart function by keeping circulation active. As the knees lift and lower, the abdominal muscles gently engage, helping to strengthen the core, a key factor in preventing balance problems and falls. This movement can also improve coordination and rhythm, which naturally decline with age. Performing seated marching for just a few minutes daily can make walking easier, standing steadier, and energy levels higher. Now, number 3. Wall push-ups. Rebuild upper body power. Wall push-ups are an excellent way to rebuild upper body power without the strain of traditional floor push-ups. This simple movement works the chest, shoulders, and arms while keeping the joints safe and supported. To perform it correctly, stand about 2 feet from a wall. Place your palms flat at shoulder height, and slowly bend your elbows to bring your chest closer to the wall. Then push back to the starting position. Doctors often recommend this variation for older adults because it strengthens muscles that play a key role in daily life, from lifting groceries and pushing doors to supporting the body when getting up from a chair. Studies on resistance training in seniors show that even mild forms of upper body exercise can improve posture, stability, and bone density. Unlike floor push-ups, wall push-ups reduce wrist and shoulder strain, making them safer for people with arthritis or limited mobility. Over time, this movement enhances endurance and helps maintain independence by keeping the upper body strong enough to handle daily tasks with confidence and ease. Practicing wall push-ups regularly can restore the strength aging muscles still hold within them. Now, number 4. Chair squats. Restore leg and glute strength. Chair squats are one of the most effective exercises to restore leg and glute strength safely for adults over 60. This simple motion mimics the act of sitting and standing, which directly trains the muscles needed for balance and independence. To perform it, stand in front of a sturdy chair with feet shoulder-width apart, Slowly lower your body until you lightly touch the chair. Then press through your heels to stand back up. Doctors often recommend chair squats because they target the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glute muscles, the same muscles that keep you steady while walking, climbing stairs, or getting up from bed. Research on mobility in older adults shows that regular squatting movements improve lower body endurance and reduce the risk of falls. Unlike deep squats or gym workouts, chair squats control depth and prevent overstraining the knees or lower back. With consistent practice, this exercise strengthens the foundation of movement, helping the body maintain good posture and stability. Even a few repetitions daily can make standing from a chair or walking across a room noticeably easier and more confident. Chair squats truly rebuild the power that keeps life active and independent. Now, number 5. Arm circles with light weights or water bottles. Combat muscle loss. Arm circles with light weights or even simple water bottles are one of the most effective ways to maintain shoulder flexibility and combat muscle loss after 60. This gentle motion strengthens the upper arms and shoulders while keeping the joints smooth and mobile. Doctors often recommend it because the shoulder area contains several small muscles that weaken faster with age, especially if daily activity is limited. To perform it correctly, stand or sit upright, hold a light weight in each hand, extend the arms to the sides, and make small circular motions forward and backward. These controlled rotations stimulate blood flow to the shoulder joints, helping keep them lubricated and reducing stiffness that can lead to pain or restricted movement. Research on senior fitness shows that regular arm exercises improve joint stability, making it easier to lift objects, reach overhead, or maintain balance during everyday activities. Even using half-liter water bottles can activate the deltoid and triceps muscles, which play a key role in maintaining upper body strength. Practiced for just a minute or two daily, arm circles help preserve mobility, prevent muscle shrinking, and restore confident, pain-free movement. Now, number 6. Standing heel raises. Rebuild balance and ankle strength. Standing heel raises are a gentle yet powerful exercise that helps rebuild balance and ankle strength, two areas that often weaken with age. The movement is simple. Stand upright while holding onto a chair or countertop for support. Slowly lift your heels off the ground until you're on your toes, then lower them back down in a controlled motion. Doctors often recommend this exercise because it targets the calf and ankle muscles that stabilize every step you take. These muscles act like shock absorbers for the body, helping prevent slips and falls, one of the most common causes of injury among older adults. Research on fall prevention consistently shows that improving ankle strength and flexibility significantly enhances balance and confidence while walking. Heel raises also promote better blood flow in the lower legs, reducing swelling and stiffness that can occur after long periods of sitting. Even performing 10 to 15 repetitions a day can make a noticeable difference in stability and walking endurance. This small loom-packed movement keeps your foundation strong, supports posture, and helps you move with more security and grace. Now, number 7. Seated leg extensions. Keep your knees strong. Seated leg extensions are one of the most effective exercises for keeping the knees strong and mobile, especially for older adults who experience stiffness or discomfort. This simple movement can be done from any sturdy chair by sitting upright, extending one leg forward until it's straight, holding for a few seconds, and then slowly lowering it back down. Doctors often recommend this exercise because it strengthens the quadriceps, the large muscles on the front of the thighs that support and protect the knee joint. Strong quadriceps help absorb pressure on the knees, making it easier to climb stairs, stand up from a chair, or walk longer distances without strain. Studies on joint health show that regular leg extensions can improve circulation within the knee area, helping deliver nutrients that support cartilage and reduce stiffness. The controlled motion also enhances coordination and joint flexibility, which are crucial for preventing falls and maintaining independence. This gentle but targeted exercise allows you to build strength safely without adding extra weight or stress to sensitive joints. keeping your knees reliable and steady for everyday movement. Number 8. Shoulder blade squeeze. Fix posture and breathe easier. Shoulder blade squeezes are one of the simplest and most effective exercises for improving posture and relieving tension caused by long hours of sitting. The movement involves sitting or standing tall, gently pulling the shoulder blades back and down as if trying to hold a pencil between them, then slowly releasing. Doctors often recommend this exercise because it strengthens the rhomboid and trapezius muscles in the upper back, the same muscles that help keep the spine upright and the shoulders properly aligned. Weakness in these muscles can cause the shoulders to round forward, leading to stiffness, neck pain, and shallow breathing. Research on posture correction shows that strengthening the upper back not only improves alignment but also expands chest capacity, allowing deeper, more efficient breathing. Practicing shoulder blade squeezes several times a day can counteract the effects of sitting, reduce shoulder tightness, and promote better oxygen flow throughout the body. This small yet powerful movement restores balance to the upper body, helping you stand taller, move more freely, and breathe with greater comfort and confidence. Number 9. Gentle stretching. Cool down the right way. Gentle stretching after exercise is one of the most effective ways to cool down the body and support muscle recovery, especially for older adults. This stage should never be rushed, as it allows the heart rate to gradually return to normal while preventing the muscles from tightening. Doctors often emphasize that skipping post-workout stretches can lead to stiffness, soreness, and reduced flexibility over time. Simple movements such as reaching both arms overhead, extending the legs, or gently turning the torso can help release built-up tension and improve circulation throughout the body. Research on senior fitness shows that light stretching encourages the removal of lactic acid from the muscles, reducing post-exercise discomfort and keeping joints more mobile. It also helps maintain the natural elasticity of muscles and tendons, which tend to shorten with age or inactivity. Holding each stretch for about 10 to 20 seconds while breathing slowly enhances relaxation and supports better posture. Gentle stretching is not about pushing limits, but giving the body a signal to rest, recover, and stay flexible, the key to remaining active and pain-free in daily life. Number 10. Mindful breathing and gratitude minute. The real muscle secret. Mindful breathing combined with a short moment of gratitude is the final and often overlooked step in rebuilding real, lasting muscle strength. This practice helps the body shift from effort to recovery, allowing muscles to relax and repair more efficiently. Doctors explain that slow, deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for rest, healing, and hormone balance. When breathing becomes steady and mindful, stress hormones such as cortisol begin to decrease, protecting the muscles from unnecessary breakdown and fatigue. Taking slow breaths through the nose, holding briefly, and exhaling through the mouth for a few minutes can also improve oxygen delivery to tissues, enhancing muscle recovery and mental clarity. Adding a quiet moment of gratitude further supports this process. Research in wellness psychology shows that gratitude lowers blood pressure, improves mood, and helps regulate inflammation, all of which contribute to stronger overall health. By ending the routine with calm, breathing, and positive reflection, the body and mind work together to seal the benefits of movement. It's a simple yet powerful reminder that true strength is not only built through exercise, but also through peace, patience, and appreciation. So, dear seniors, if staying strong, steady, and independent matters to you, take a moment to subscribe and join this community focused on healthy aging. Each week brings simple, doctor-supported routines designed for energy and mobility after 60. Like this video, share it with a friend, and keep your strength growing daily.